Going to one of my favorite spots for lunch. Quick bite. If you come to Sioux Falls to pick this car up, I recommend this joint. Called The Attic. A little bit of everything. Good quality food though. Take a temperature reading out here. We'll grab a bite and we'll head back. So, about 67 degrees. Shooting them down into there. He wants to say that's about 76. Reading. Check out the interior. In the sun, about 90 degrees, that's warm. Then here, 75. Ambient. It's tough to read. It may need some work, but I can tell you, as I move this knob, I hear the fan clutch turn off and turn on, as you can hear. So all equipment is there. It is working. It's not ice cold. It's from the 70s. Could need a recharge. Could have some bad seals. But if it's like a 90-degree hot day, that'd be the true test. So in all fairness, maybe I can't give you guys the yes, definitive it works, but I can tell you it's all there. May need some R&R. Headed on back. I'm gonna kick it on again. Thank you. Is there and is working. You can hear that clutch kick on when I turn the dial to AC. It's moving air very nicely. It may not be the coldest AC, but on a day like today where it's about 70 outside, you can tell that it's working. May need some R&R. Seals, hose, fittings, stuff along those lines. But it's there, it will work. Just felt the second carburetor kind of kick in. Oh boy, this is fun. Felt like a secondary. Don't believe that's how these carburetors work, but that's what it felt like. Cruising right along at 70. I think that's what this car needs, you know. It just needs someone that's gonna hop in it and drive it from time to time, keep everything working well. All right, you guys, thanks for watching.